Morning, guys. It is May 27th, 2025. Anyway, I got a call for no hot water. She got an oil burner there, and she got no hot water coming out of the oil burner.
Turn left on Watson Street, then take the first right.
Well, I mean, it might be probably not that it needs service. It's probably something to do with the tankless or a tempering valve, or we'll see what the hell's going on with it. But we'll see if we can help her out. Another damsel in distress.
Turn right on Dutchess Street, then take the first left.
Bottom of the tank's all leaking. I told you that last time I was here. Look at the flipping oil.
Over here.
Look at the oil underneath from the tank leaking. I told you last time I was here about that. You don't remember? I told you last time I was here about the oil tank needed to be changed, and your dog ran outside. That was last year. I'll have to talk to. Who was I talking to? Your brother, or who was that I talked to last time? You got no hot water because I can't touch the oil tank because it's all rotted.
This one, the light's on.
Yeah.
Because she everything clean. I touched the button, it works.
I mean, I can't touch it because you don't want to change the tank. I mean, if that thing floods, I'm going to be in trouble.
See, now smell oil is the tank.
You don't see nothing wrong with the tank?
No.
No, okay.
This is wet.